LPP we are doing, okay. After this, tomorrow we'll start vectors, okay, vectors will start. So LPP, linear programming problem for HSC, you have 4 marks, you are going to get it. 1 4 marks question, and this model type questions you will get. And in playlist, I have explained you textbook questions, variety of questions. Only 2 playlists are there, 2 videos are there, one is 50 minutes and 40 minutes. I have added in the, playlist also. Now we are doing previous year questions, okay. So previous year question, this is asked in 2019 March, and this is asked in 2020 February. So I will discuss these 2 questions, how to draw the graph of this, how to find maxima and minima. Steps I will write, listen to me carefully. Now first one, right? The first one, what we will do here is the first step what we do here. I am writing all the steps, okay. First I will write the steps, you note down the steps, then we will draw the graph. Follow the same pattern, same way. You have to follow this pattern properly. If you follow these patterns properly, you will get it. So the first thing is, now this is the inequation. So first I take the inequation. So what we will write here, the equation of the inequality, the equation of inequation, equation of inequation x plus 4y less than or equal to 24 is x plus 4y is equal to 24. Okay, first we will write the equation form. Then here we take x plus 4y is equal to 24 and we take the box. Now this chapter 4 marks guaranteed. Okay, then what we do here? Now we take here x and we take here y, right? You take here x and y. Now what you do? You have to find the order pairs for this. Order pairs you can find, you can use the 0, x 0, y 0. If I keep x 0, y will be 6. So if I keep x 0 in this, if I keep here x 0, I will get 4y is equal to 24. So y is equal to how much? 24 by 4. Then how much you get here? 6. Now what we do here, I kept here x 0, then I will go for y 0. Suppose if I keep y 0, so this will be 0, x will be how much? 24. You can use this. So it is not a problem. If you are using this one, you can use it. Number is big, but if you want to use it, use it. Should I use 0 or should I use another number? Your wish. Tell me, no problem. For me, anything is okay. If you are using another, see that any number like 4, 5, anything number you keep it and 0. Or if you are keeping 0, no problem. If x is 0 I kept, you are not listening. See. If x is 0, you got y is 6. If y is 0, then x is 24. You can use this one also, you can draw. Or you don't want to do this one, I am writing one more also. Or I am using another one. I can take here x and y. If I take x 0, I get y 6. And y I can take any number, like here if I take 4, 4 4 is 16, 24 minus 16, 8. So you can get like this. Or you use this or this, no problem. No problem at all. Only scale is going to change. So better you want to do what, you decide it later. Now only one thing you have to draw it. Okay, then after what you have to write here, now after this, substitute. Always you have to do this one. Substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means origin O0 comma 0 in this inequation. X plus 4y less than or equal to 24. If I substitute there, I get 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 24. I get as 0 less than 24. Is it 0 less than 24? 0 less than 24? Yeah. So it is true. If it is true you get, then we write as the solution lies region lies towards origin, origin side. So you should write like this. This is the step you have to write. So I am going to write all the steps, then we will draw the graph. Now after this same picture you have to repeat for this also, this also. Okay, what is the another picture you have? The equation, same picture. The equation of inequation 3x plus y less than or equal to 21 is 3x plus y is equal to 21. Now I am writing like that. So the equation of inequation 3x plus y less than or equal to 21 is 3x plus y is equal to 21. Okay. After this we take the box again. Here I take x, y. Now if I take x is 0, y will be 21, big number. If I take y 0, then x will be 7. So I am taking 0 only because I don't want to make you confusion much. You want to take another numbers, you can take it, no problem. I am going to take with 0, I am going to draw the graph. Both the ways we can do the graph. If x 0, I am going to get y 21. If y 0, I am going to get x is equal to 7. So the same thing we do here, substitute x is equal to substitute origin, substitute O 0 comma 0 in 3x plus y less than or equal to 21. So I get as 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 21, 0 less than or equal to 21, 0 less than 21 is true. So same way we write as the solution region lies towards the origin side. Next we are going for the third step. Third step is this. What we write here, x plus y, same thing, is equal to 9. We write the same patterns everywhere. Now we can take the box of this. X, y, if I keep x 0, y value will be 9. If I take y 0, x value will be 9. So however, you are going to write the same thing, substituting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the inequation x plus y less than or equal to 9, 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 9, 0 less than or equal to 9 is true. So we can say that the solution region contains origin side. See the first where I wrote, same wise you have to write for these two also. Once I wrote means next time I am not writing. Okay sir, right? So all three you got as towards the origin side, clear sister? And the thing is this one. This one always you have to write in the beginning only. I am writing here. What you have to write here, whenever they given, the solution region of x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 represents, because yesterday I explained this, I have shown the graph of this, represent quadrant 1 you can write. So this is the theory part what you have to write. So now this is the theory part over, then graph after we should write again. So first we written as what we took these inequations, we made into equation, then we have find the order pairs of this, and then we have checked whether it is lies towards the origin side or not, and we have written all these points. First note down these points, then we will draw the graph. Compulsory question, 4 marks. चलो ग्राफ. See here हमको चाहिए ना ये पूरा पॉजिटिव रहता है सर. This graph, LPP graph always lies in the first quadrant. Okay, x axis, y axis draw करो. X axis draw it. Look at here, listen to me. They will give you graph paper में करना, ठीक है? Otherwise, if you are writing this one, use the scale proper and do it. Graph paper करे तो better है, ठीक है? And here all you have na 1 centimeter, like this 1 centimeter scale will be there. Okay, till 9, 10, 11 तक जाता है. और इधर सर इधर भी, इधर तो 24 तक जाता है. Okay, so now you have big numbers, right? What are the numbers you have? पहले में क्या था? पहले में पहला बॉक्स बोलो फटाफट. x y 0 6 0 24 बोला ना मैंने 24. सी आपको क्या बोला सुनो. When you have big numbers, take 5 scale. When you have small number, take scale 1. थोड़ा बड़ा रहे तो 2 scale भी ले सकते हो. So here है ना, if you want to take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. When you take 5 scale, 2 small lines counts 1. 2 small line क्या होता है 1 होता है, इसलिए 10 लाइन को 5 हो गया. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here this side what you have? What are the numbers you have? Tell me what numbers you have. 0 6 तक है. Last biggest number कितना है? दूसरा वाला बताओ. Take the another one. 0 21 7. नेक्स्ट ओके 24 है ना भाई x में 24 है तो ये भी 5 लेना है. 5 10 15 20 25. Now you will write here x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. You will write this one for every graph. Okay, right? First picture, what is the inequation of this picture? X plus 4y less than or equal to 24. चलो ये इनिक्वेशन है. तो x plus 4y ना, सुन लो अब देखो x 0 y 6 means fifth line small 2 lines is the sixth line. Okay, fifth line small, this one is the sixth line. Okay, x 24 means x 24 is the second line before this. 25 के पहला ये 24 है. And these 2 points you have to join. Okay, you have to draw. You get the line equation. What is the name of this line equation? X plus 4y less than or equal to 24. So here the thing is we have to shade up this side or this side, that is the mark. Already I substituted a point 0 comma 0 origin. At the time you get true, so you have to draw origin side. If you get a false, you have to draw not containing origin side. It's not only that you have to take origin, you can take any points inside of this. Satisfies that means this side, does not satisfy that side. That's it. So now in this picture already we got origin, solution containing origin side we got. So we have to shade downwards, but I am not shading now. I am keeping in the brain, that is I have to shade it down, because I will shade at the end all the 3 graphs over. सुन लो इधर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है? व्हाट इज द लाइन नेम? नेम ऑफ द लाइन 3x plus y less than or equal to 21. Are you sure? If x is 0, y 21. X is 0, y 21 means, see, actually my graph is not perfect. See, this graph is not perfect, so 21 is here. Scale is not perfect, so scale, it depends on the scale. In your graph paper it looks proper. So if I take here x 0, y 21, y 0, x 7. 7 means what? 7 means fourth line of this, means second line is 6, fourth line will be 7. So you can draw these both, you get like this. Name of this line is 3x plus y less than or equal to 21. Tell me last and final one. Tell me another one. This is x and y. What do you have? 0, 9, 9, 0. So x plus y less than or equal to 9. If I keep x 0, y 9 means 10 number down. Y 0, x 9, here 10 number beside. So if I draw, you draw in graph paper, see the reason is scale is not proper, that's why I said. आप graph paper में draw करें तो ऐसा आएगा. So it is here, look at here. All these places, this is the place where all the points will touch. Like here, this is the solution region you will get. Reason is, this lines are this side, this lines are this side, so this gap will be there. This lines are downside, and this line, one more line, this lines are this side. So all is this is the feasible region. This will be the feasible region which is required. So the name of this one, O, A, B, C, D. Look at here, keep quiet now, listen to me. O, A, B, C, D is the feasible region we required. So O, A, B, C, D is the required feasible region. You have to write like this. O, A, B, C, D, O is the required feasible region. Means it is closed one. You have to write it is a closed one. So O, A, B, C, D, O is the required feasible region. In that, this point will be origin 0, 0. This point already you have took this one. This point was 7, 0. This was 7, 0. So this point already you know in the graph paper itself it is 7, 0. You can see in the graph paper line will be appears. And this one you can see in the graph paper, you will get that is 6, 3. You have to see this side vertical, you have to see this downside. If you see this both sides, you will get that point. So this point it is indicates here, you need to see down here, you need to see here. Thus this if you see 6 you will get, this if you see 3 you get. So point is 6, 3. And this point will be, if you see down it will be 4, if you see vertical it will be 5. So C is 4, 5. And this D is 0, 6. So these all will be appear in the graph paper. So that is the reason. If you are not able to take 5, 5, if you are taking 2 units, suppose you are not able to identify this point, you know that identification is how much? 2 single lines will be 1 unit. Suppose you are scale taking 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, then you will have big one right here. This is here 2, next 4, like this. So you can identify easily what is the number. Even on this also you can identify easily. Okay, are you getting it? So you can identify these numbers. So you got these are the vertices. Now you have to maximize this function. They given that where it is maximized they asked to find. So what is the function, objective function they given? Z is equal to what they given? What they given? Z is equal to 3x plus 5y. Okay. So 3x plus 5y is the given objective function. It is also called profit function. Now what we will do here, you have to draw this graph. After that I will tell you how to write. After the graph you have to use this one. You have to take z is equal to 3x plus 5y and substitute this point. 0, 0 substitute. You get how much you see? Yeah, A substitute, B substitute, C substitute, D substitute. So after substituting that, Z value for which it is getting maximum, that is your maxima. So likewise you have to substitute. Then you will get the answer. First you draw the graph, I will substitute. Sir, feasible region of LPP is shaded in the region we got in from the graph. O, B, C, D, A. O vertex, A vertex, B, C, D we wrote. Now we have to find the maxima or minima. So what we will do, we write the vertices here then we take the objective function z which is given, profit function we call. Z is equal to how much? They given 3x plus 5y. So substitute first vertex in this. So 3 into 0, 5 into 0, 0. If you substitute 7 comma 0, you get 21. Substitute 6 comma 3. So in the place of x 6, in the place of y 3 you should substitute. So 6 3 is 18 plus 5 3 is 15. 18 plus 15, 33. Right? Right now. And next, z is equal to 3 into, I get in the place of x 4, in the place of y is 5, 5 5 is 25, 4 3 is 12, 25 plus 12, 39. 39 you get. 37, testing. D is equal to 0 comma 6. Z is equal to what you get? 3 into 0 plus 5 into 6, that is equal to 30. So what is the highest value here? What is the highest value? 37. So Z becomes maximum. We write like this. So the objective becomes maximum at Z is equal to 3x plus 5y becomes maximum, will be maximum at C4 comma 5, and maximum value is equal to 37. You should write like this, then you will get 4 marks. So these are the way to write. Okay, now 2020 we will do it, then we will start vectors. This question asked in HSC class 12 Feb 2020 है ना, Feb 2020 HSC last year question. You have to find the maximum or minimum. What is asked? Maximum. See, minimum is minimum point you have to find, maximum is maximum point. So if we have to draw this graph, you have to find the maximum of this. So what we will do, the same thing I have told you. Just take the inequation of this one. So you will write as the equation of inequation. The equation of inequation 4x plus y less than or equal to 40 is 4x plus y is equal to 40. First you have to write equation. Then you can take x, y, keep x 0. Okay, x 0, y value how much? बोलो ना सर, 40 है ना? अरे आपने x इधर 0 रखा तो y कितना आता है? 40. हाँ, y को 0 रखा तो x कितना आता है? 10, 10. Right? Alright, sir. Now the same picture what we will do here, substitute O0 comma 0 in 4x plus y less than or equal to 40. इसमें substitute करो. तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो क्या आएगा? 4 इंटू 0 प्लस 0 लेस देन आर इक्वल टू 40. 0 लेस देन आर इक्वल टू 40. 0 लेस देन 40 है नहीं है ना? सो ट्रू फॉल्स? ट्रू हो गया तो क्या बोल सकते हैं? देयरफॉर द सॉल्यूशन रीजन कंटेन्स or is inside. You should write like this. है ना? सॉल्यूशन रीजन कंटेन्स और इनसाइड. अच्छा, पहला पिक्चर लिखना था, भूल गया मैंने. ये पहला लिखना है. व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट? द सॉल्यूशन रीजन of x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 represents quadrant 1. And this is you have to write always. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, whenever you have to write the solution region contain first quadrant. Then after we will take this last one, the equation of inequation 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 60 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 60. Take the picture, right? Is equal to we took. So we take here x, we take here y, keep x 0. आपने x 0 लिया तो 2y इज इक्वल टू कितना 60, y इज इक्वल टू 30. आपने y 0 लिया, सो 3x इक्वल टू 60, ये 0, 3x इक्वल टू 60, सो 20 है ना, 20. Then after what we will do here, substitute O0 comma 0 in 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 60. तो इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, x प्लस में 0, y प्लस में 0, तो आया 0 लेस देन आर इक्वल टू 60. ट्रू है फॉल्स है? ट्रू. सो द सॉल्यूशन रीजन है ना, यही लिखना है. See, when you get false, we say that the solution region does not contain origin site. Right, does not contain origin site. We write here contain origin site. Okay, understood? Then we will draw the graph, then we will do the same picture what we did in the past. Understood? 4 marks. Confirm? After this we will start vectors. Points bolo. Yeah, this is y-axis. This is x-axis. Origin O 0 comma 0. किक बाइट. चलो पॉइंट्स बोलो. फर्स्ट वाला पॉइंट 2 ही है ना, 0 कामा 40, तो 10 10 ले लूँ, 5 5 5 5 10 10. चुप रहो. पीछे अभी बात किया ना, बाहर भेजूंगा तुमको, शरिया मत. 10 अभी पॉइंट्स बोलो. 10 20 आफ्टरनून बोलो सर. 20 30 40 50 इधर बोलो. 10 20 30 40 50. X axis 1 centimeter, x axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Same way y axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Right, point number, tell me first one 0 comma 40. Here next 10 comma 0. So this is the first line. We can draw like this is the line. Next line, name of this line, name of this line, 4x plus y less than or equal to 40. Next one bolo. Next one, next points 0 0 30. Yeah, this one. Yeah, 20 0. Yeah, shh. See this, that these are there. What is the line name? 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 60. See here, if you draw this graph, है ना, दोनों इधर साइड है ना, origin side if you draw, you will get this is the feasible region. This is the feasible region. So this is O, A, B, C. So O point 0 comma 0, A point 10 comma 0, and B point you have to see this one. I think 10 comma 20 you will get. 10 is down, you get vertical 20, 10 comma 20. C will be, this is 0 comma 30. So these are the points you got. So you can see in the graph paper, you will get properly. So O, A, B, C, O is the required region, is the required feasible region. Required feasible region. Feasible region. Okay, this is the required feasible region. Then we have to plot these points in the what is the complex they given. So after graph you have to write these steps. Z is equal to what? Z is equal to 150x 250y. Okay, you have this one. Now you have to substitute all the points, you have to see the maximum. So what you do here, you write vertices, and you write the profit function. Z is equal to 150x plus 250y. Don't write these things on the graph paper, you have to write in separate paper. Now we take the vertices and we substitute here. We see where you getting positive. 0 comma 0 I am going to substitute here. So Z is equal to 0 in this place. Next will be a 10 comma 0. I will substitute here. So z is equal to 10 into 150. 10 into 150, 1500. 1500 plus 250 into 0, 0. So 1500 you get. If I substitute b 10 comma 20, then z is equal to I get 150 into 10, that is 1500. 250 into 20. 250 into 20, how much? 250 into 20. So bolte nahi 0 0 250 into 20, nobody is saying 5000, right? 5000. So 5000, and this will be z is equal to 6500, and the C point is 0 comma 30. If I substitute z is equal to 150 into 0 plus 250 into 30. So 250 into 30 is how much you are going to get? Z is equal to 250 into 30. 250 into 30. 7500. 7500. So maximum where you are getting? 7500. So you will write as maximum of this function occurs at C 0 comma 30, and the maximum value is 7500. Likewise we will do, this is 2020 problem. Okay, so these chapter related questions we will solve like this.